we come to you to receive the food of your holy word. Take us, Lord, plant deep in us, shape and fashion us in your glory, that the light of Christ might be seen today in our lives of love and our deeds of faith. Speak, O Lord, and fulfill in us all your promises for your glory. Speak, O Lord, of obedience, holy reverence, true liberty. Test our thoughts and our attitudes in the radiance of your purity. Cause our faith to rise, cause our eyes to see your majestic love and authority. Words of power that can never fail, let the truth prevail over unbelief. Speak, O Lord.